Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split a large document into subdocuments in Microsoft Word. First, let me create a new Microsoft Word document and I'm going to name it Thesis. Double click to open it and let me put in some random text by inserting is equal rand, and then I want only 10 paragraph. Let's close the bracket, press enter, and there we have our random text inserted. I'm going to divide this dummy document into a few chapters, and let me name the first part is introduction, second part is materials and method, and let's make the last part is results and discussions. Now we are going to select all these headings by pressing the control key and then selecting these headings. Now simply click on heading 1 and they would be turned into headings. Now you can simply imagine this document to be a large document consisting of these 3 headings, and each heading needs to be split into a subdocument. So how we are going to do that? Simply head over to the view tab and click on this navigation pane. And over here you can see we can actually move into different headings by clicking on the headings in navigation pane. Next, go over here into this outline and click on show document. Now simply select this first part like this and click on create, and likewise you can select the other part and click on create, and finally let's select the last part and click on create. Now you can simply press Ctrl S from your keyboard or simply click on this option save. Now let's go over to the same folder where we created our initial document to see whether we have accomplished our task or not. And there you can see this was our original document thesis, and these are the subdocuments that we have just created. If you're going to make some modifications to your master document, for example, I'm going to add some more content to results and discussion, then this new content would be reflected in the subdocument. Let me show you. I'm going to write verification done. Let me close it. Go over here into results and discussion, and there you can see the changes that we have made are reflected here in this subdocument. So this is how you can actually split a large document into subdocuments in Microsoft Excel. Now these documents are actually linked to the master document, but if you want to unlink them, then you can simply choose this particular option right from here. And one more thing, you can actually lock this document as well, so that if you are going to send it over the internet, nobody would be able to make any changes to it. But this would make it actually useless. The purpose of actually splitting a document into subdocument is to send them individually to different people so that they could have a look at it, make modifications, and then send you back so that you could combine them together again. And how these documents are combined, I have made a separate video for that. You can actually follow the link in the description to see how the splitted documents are merged together. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.